A disciple is a person who is ready to learn, who can put aside his prejudices, his preconceived ideas, and who can go with the flow of a Sadguru. A spiritual seeker, I think, is a person who sees his life very clearly with awareness, and he gets disillusioned with all his repetitive and routine life. Spiritual seeking is search for the meaningfulness. Initially, we seek meaning in what we have, our possessions, our knowledge, all those things that we have. Initially, we are searching meaning in those things, and then we search meaning what we do. We try to do some meaningful things, some creative things, some extraordinary things. But after having and doing all those things, still there is unfulfillment. Still there is incompleteness. This is the point when a seeker starts seeking real meaning. At this point, seeker starts seeing beyond his limitations. At this point, he starts going into the non-physical domain, from his physical domain to his non-physical domain. When seeker realizes his limitations, then he realizes the root of this limitation, and that is his thought process. His very thoughts are limiting phenomena. Thoughts create limitations, and here the spiritual seeking comes to full circle, where seeker transcends his thought process. He goes beyond thought, or he tries to go beyond his thought. And spiritual attainment is going beyond this thought process, this very root of limitation. When a seeker sees his limitations very clearly, and he feels he is open, receptive, and he can allow transformation to happen, then he converts into disciple. Disciple is a rare phenomenon. Disciple is a maturity of a seeker. Disciple can surrender. He is ready to surrender. He can accept all those contradictions which are happening in his life. And when disciple is ready to allow all those contradictions, he is ready to allow the transformation to happen, then spiritual tradition says Sadguru appears. The guiding light appears. Now he is on the path. He can move. He can allow transformation, and he can get transformed. When Sadguru or a spiritual master appears in the life of a disciple, a very rare phenomena starts unfolding. Sadguru is a transcendental presence. He is simply presence. Sadguru creates a transcendental pull. With that pull, a vertical journey starts in the life of a disciple. Initially, he was going in a horizontal journey, in a life of repetitions. Now the presence of a Sadguru, without doing anything, without forcing anything in his life, mysteriously and spontaneously starts pulling him upward, vertically. Guru is a transcendental pull. That's why we have represented him with the symbol of a full moon. As moon pulls your mind upward, in similar way, Guru pulls your whole consciousness vertically.